Last year on this channel, we made a video on some badass clothes for women to wear to Burning Man. In this video, we're doing it for the boys. Going over clothing and style for men at Burning Man. I'm gonna break it down simple for you bros. Head to toe, day or night, along with packing tips to help save your life. After this video, check out the packing list in the description below to help you get ready for the burn fast. I've said it before, if you only get one thing out of this video, I hope it's that you bring a sun hat. Damn fool, that's like a Burning Man sombrero, eh? Power Surge is getting old, and with each passing burn, I get new freckles, moles, and sunspots. So bros, protect that pretty face, and if you really need to chill out, you can plunge that sombrero into some ice water. Or put an ice cold wet bandana under your hat. A basic camping hat with the neck flap will do just fine. I've used those in the past. But this year, I want to be anything but basic. So I chose this 6-inch wide brim hat. It has this vented fabric in the top of the head to help keep my head cool and let some air flow. I also chose a lighter color to kind of blend in with the Playa, and it does come with a chin strap to help keep the hat from blowing away. At nighttime, I wear this white basic top hat and I perform in it. It helps keep my hair from catching on fire, but it's just a basic white top hat, and I sewed a shiny moon patch onto it. It's just good to be creative. We could make a whole video about hats. Bring a headlamp so you can see and you're not a darkwad. It's really easy to put some simple string lights on your hat, like Napoleon here, and that way people can see you at night. Don't forget a pair of cheap sunglasses. And don't forget your goggles.
Don't come to Burning Man! Ah! I'm running away!
It's a fucking mess out here. Last year, my good friend Fine Line forgot his goggles, or perhaps they got lost in the dust. One of the girls at our camp was kind enough to let him use these pink heart goggles, but that's what he ended up with. I recommend people bring at least 2 pairs of goggles, one of them clear so you can see at night, and the other one UV for the daytime. So they act like sunglasses, but they also protect your eyes from the dust. Participation wear is highly encouraged. And by that I mean costumes, cool hats and clothing that you make yourself. Burning Man is an opportunity to really create a character. Like this is the Candy Man. He goes around in colorful outfits giving out free candy. Dressing up in a group. In 2018 for Fire Conclave, the poi team all dressed up as fish. We did this poi routine as like a school of fish on Playa. I once saw a huge group of people all dressed up as bees in black and yellow. And what do bees do? Well, bees swarm. And they swarm the man, and they swarm people with positive vibrations and love and hugs. The most infamous group out at Black Rock City is by far the DICKBATS. We can be recognized by our kick-ass DICKBATS vests and our piss-poor attitudes, riding around on our obnoxious gas-powered scooters. Under the leadership of our club president Dustin, we conduct hangouts, ride-alongs, we go out drinking together, and whenever we see each other on Playa, we have a sense of brotherhood and camaraderie. They've also recently helped with some of the activities at the Thunderdome and have been valiant participants there. When it comes to homemade Burning Man clothing, I've got to highlight a good friend and clown king, Laser. His wife is Pants, and together they're Laser Pants. But he made this awesome outfit right here.
You see the studded
Laser
lapels?
Pants, Clown Chic.
You see the studded lapels?
Oh, let's see.
Wow.
Ooh.
Don't miss on that. Dude, you made
wow.
this?
DIY Clown Chic, yo.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Bunny Bob, Clown Chic.
That's the best way I can explain participation wear. Now back to the tactical wear that'll help you survive on Playa. Whether you're rolling on the ground or flying to the moon, a flight suit is an excellent choice for a night of Playa fun. They're loaded with pockets, and they'll keep the dust out of your britches. For those hot days in the sun, I like to cover myself with one of these white sun shirts. They're made of a really light, breathable material, so air goes right through them to keep me cool. But I still get sun protection on my arms, and there's even a hood to cover my neck and my head and my face if I really need to. I love this black motorcycle vest. I wear it almost every year, driving up there, driving home, and on the build day. At nighttime, I can even wear this under my DICKBATS vest. It just gives you lots of extra pockets. And that's important because you're gonna be carrying lots of stuff out there at Burning Man. You may have your sunglasses or your goggles, your wet naps, some hand sanitizer spray, some earplugs, and it's nice to have all your stuff readily at hand in your vest. These white UV sleeves are awesome as well. You can wear them underneath the vest or underneath anything, and they just protect your shoulders and your arms, but you can still have like an open chest. They're made of a UV reflective UPF 50 stretchy material, and they're good for guys and girls. I give these away to friends on Playa. They're fantastic. This is a traditional Egyptian robe that was painted by an artist named Magico at the Argentina Burn. I met this handsome gentleman at the Sun Temple one morning of sunrise. James here is our model, and he's sporting a hat that he actually crafted at the costume cult with horns that he got there. For the daytime, you want to wear clothing that would do well in a desert environment like Egypt, something that covers you but is light and airy. I found this long hooded cardigan on Amazon. It's a lightweight material and provides lots of sun coverage. And I feel like a Jedi in this. I also got a dark colored one for when I feel like a Sith. I would bring a sarong or some kind of nice soft fabric. It's versatile. You can lay it on the ground and sit upon it, or you could fold it up, tie it around your shoulders. I got this from a boutique giveaway at Burning Man in 2018. David here is rocking the white overalls. Just like a flight suit, they're great for rolling around in the dust. Let's have a manly discussion about tutus. Tutu Tuesday is a Burning Man tradition. A significant amount of people in the city will participate. Once again, David is a true king of style, rocking a batty purple tutu with our neon tutu Playa Barbie, Sammy. A fanny pack or a hip bag would be a helpful accessory to carry important things. This is one made by my sister's company, Cookie Packs. I'll leave links for this stuff in the description below. Various gloves can be nice too. When you're building camp or riding a scooter, or sometimes you touch metal that's just been hot sitting in the sun. For the cold nights, let me introduce you to my good friend, Tyler Durden. This coat I actually was gifted at a clothing giveaway amongst other burner friends. It was probably some old ladies 20 years ago, but it has served me for countless desert nights to keep me warm. It has nice little pockets. The idea for being out at Playa at night is that you have layers. Like in this case, I have the coat with a vest and a shirt underneath. And keep your fancy furs away from the fire. They are definitely flammable. You can get a little crispy warming your hands by the flame. If you've got a onesie, unleash your inner animal and let it roam wild. I bring at least 2 pairs of cargo shorts. They're great for build and breakdown days with lots of pockets to hold your stuff. Day or night, you'll catch me in striped pants. I've become infamous for wearing these on Playa the last few years. Having out of the ordinary pants is just another way you can express yourself. I just love my striped pants. I've bonded with these. I have many a pair. These cheesy tourist pants I got from Thailand are actually very lightweight and breathable. You can wear them down or you can even pull the legs up, kind of like shorts. These lightweight pants kept the mosquitoes off my legs in Thailand, and they'll keep the sun off your legs while still letting in some airflow. Harem Pants offer a unique style and functionality on Playa. Loose fitting and comfy, they have a few ways that they can be worn. And they're really nice to do yoga in. Speaking of yoga, come to my yoga classes at 4 and Esplanade at Camp LUMIDANCE. Look for the stage with the big cobras. Let's talk a little bit about shoes. I would bring the following. Have a cheap pair of sandals to wear around camp. There's a good chance you're going to lose or ruin these. Some comfy white ASICS athletic shoes. I got them at Goodwill for $11. These survived last year. Hopefully they'll survive this year. I bring some RG boots from Big 5. They're good for build and teardown days. Lastly, I'm not sponsored, but the builders in my camp swear by Palladium Shoes. They make different styles, but for the burn, they are great. Some styles are waxed for durability, or they're breathable. Palladiums are lightweight, but still rugged and durable, and the high ankles keep some of the dust off your toes. Also, they're pretty affordable, running around $60 a pair. One last pro tip from my buddy Kevin. He preemptively sewed fabric over his N95 respirator masks so that here in the dust storm, he would have some protection for his lungs, but not look like a dork with a painter's mask. That's all the tips I have for you about what swag to wear at Burning Man this year. I hope you found it helpful. If you want to visit me at Burning Man, I will be at 4 and Esplanade, Camp LUMIDANCE. Just ask anyone there for Power Surge, and I just really hope to run into you guys. Go ahead and subscribe. I'll be making more videos about Burning Man soon. Feel free to smash the like button and support this channel. Go ahead and share this video with a fellow burner and help that guy get ready. You can also check out some of my other preparation videos. I'll leave links below in the description. I have one to help you prepare your camping stuff, one about food, and one about some items to bring to Burning Man. So hopefully those videos help you pack. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck out there. I'll see you on the Playa.